Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Fendi sunglasses model FE40016U in color code 30C. The color of the frame is gold. On the temples are protective sleeves to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also square shaped and the lenses are silver mirrored. On its temple, you'll find the Fendi logo in gold engraved. This is the inside of the frame, and both temples are the same. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Fendi logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 60 is for its lens, 14 is for its bridge, and 130 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Fendi gift box, a Fendi puffy case, a Fendi cleaning cloth, a manufacturer booklet, and a Fendi authenticity card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.